Assalamu alaikum students. I prepare the science lesson, series of science lesson nutrition. Topic is nutrition. It is a long topic. So I prepare the lesson step by step. Now we reach topic is water. Today lesson is water. So water is a necessary for human bodies. Let's start. Water is the most important nutrient of the body. It is involved in every bodily function and makes up 70 to 75% of the total body weight. Water content of the body is highest in childhood and keeps on decreasing with the increasing in age. Water helps in maintaining body temperature, assists the metabolism, aids digestions, lubricates and cushions organs, transports nutrients and flushes toxin from the body. It also helps in make fluid such as tears, sweats and urine and allows chemical process to happen in the body. Sufficient water also keep the skin healthy and moisturized and also prevent wrinkles. One should drink 8 glasses of water every day. A healthy human body need to water should drink 8 glass in water every day. Okay. Now we check how a human body how percentage need the water. When we born, before birth 100%, birth time 80%, normal adult 70% and adult 50%. I think it is understand you and learn it again and again. The topic is water. It is a complete lesson today. Like and share it. If you like, subscribe my channel. Like and share it. Thank you.